Rose water acts as a natural toner and can definitely be used daily. The best thing is that you can use rose water for oily skin, dry skin, or combination skin type, and hence is completely safe to be used daily. Rose water is used in a lot of beauty products because of its ability to reduce the signs of aging. When applied to an area, rose water plumps the skin and improves the appearance of wrinkles. Rose water also tightens the skin, meaning that your skin looks firmer and more radiant. Glycerin can help moisturize and protect the skin. But, on the face, it may dehydrate and cause blistering, especially if undiluted. Only use glycerin-containing products like soaps or lotions, and stop if irritation occurs. Today in this video, I will share best toner or serum for skin hydrating. At first, you will need 1 cup of rose water in a bowl. Mix 1 tablespoon of glycerin and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix these ingredients and spray daily on your face. A perfect mixture of glycerin, rose water, and lemon juice can be used as a makeup setting spray to give you a fresh and dewy look. It can also be used as a toner, moisturizer, facial mask, or scrub to exfoliate dead skin, maintain the skin's pH balance, improve skin hydration, and prevent future acne breakouts. The glycerin rose water mixture is a natural moisturizer and glow-boosting potion in one. It not only helps slow down your aging clock, but also reverses radical damage and gives you healthy and glowing skin. Use as a night serum to provide your skin with the nutrients and necessary moisture. The combination of glycerin and rose water may help you attain flawless skin in various ways. Glycerin is a powerful humectant that keeps your skin hydrated, protects the skin barrier, and improves the skin's permeability. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that protect the skin from damage and soothe dry skin.